Welcome to Coverage and Clarity with Jacques, the podcast where we break down protection, planning, and peace of mind so you can make confident decisions for the people who matter most.
Welcome to Coverage and Clarity with Jacques. This is where we slow things down, remove the noise, and focus what truly matters, protecting your family, your future, and everything you worked so hard to build. For decades, insurance has operated largely the same way. You met with an agent, you answered a few questions, a recommendation was made, a policy was issued, and for many people, that was the end of the conversation. But today, something remarkable is happening. Technology is changing nearly every part of our lives. Your phone can predict where you're going. Your streaming services can predict what you'll watch. Your online shopping platforms can predict what you'll buy. Now imagine applying that same predictive power to protecting your family. Imagine a system capable of identifying risks before they become problems. Imagine knowing when your coverage is no longer aligned with your life. Imagine receiving recommendations before a gap of a financial disaster occurs. Now, that's exactly where artificial intelligence is taking the insurance industry. Today's conversation isn't about robots or replacing your people. It's about how smart technology is helping people make smarter protection decisions. And perhaps most importantly, how you could use these tools to create a customized insurance strategy that evolves as your life evolves. For many years, insurance planning relied on broad assumptions. How old are you? What's your income? Are you married? Do you have children? While those questions were important, they were only snapshots. Life isn't static. Your financial life changes consistently. Remember, a person earning $60,000 today may be earning $120,000 in 5 years. You have one child today that may become two. Your two may become three. Your mortgage balance shifts, student loans disappear, new business loans emerge. Now, your retirement accounts may grow, investments portfolios will grow, real estate values will increase, yet many insurance plans remain the same. That's how coverage gaps occur. Not because people don't care, because life moves faster than many of them review. AI is helping solve that problem. Let's simplify AI. Artificial intelligence isn't magic. It's pattern recognition. Its strength lies in processing enormous amount of information quickly. Financial data such as income trends, cash flow, debt ratios, saving patterns. Family information such as your dependents, age of your children, caregiving responsibilities, education planning and needs. Property risk, your home value, geographic hazards, weather exposure, claims history. Health indicators, everything from wellness trends to lifestyle habits, mortality data, and risk factors. So what does this mean? The goal isn't to collect information. The goal is to identify vulnerabilities. The same way a doctor uses diagnostic tools to identify health risk, AI helps identify financial protection risk. Now, most insurance planning has historically been reactive. Something changes, then something else happens, and then coverage change. AI introduces a predictive model. Example, a young family purchases life insurance, homeowners insurance, and auto insurance. 5 years later, the incomes double, the home appreciates, childcare costs increase, retirement savings accelerate. Traditional planning notices that fact. AI identifies these trends as they are occurring. Predictive models might include coverage shortfalls, rising liability exposures, insufficient income protection, underinsured property values. The objective is simple. Identify tomorrow's risks before it becomes today's problems. Now, historically, insurance products were built for groups. Today, technology enables plans to be tailored to individuals. Now, what does a custom-made coverage mean to you? Coverage is designed specifically around your goals, your family structure, your assets, your liabilities, your retirement timeline, your legacy objectives. Here's an example. Two people earn identical incomes. Traditional planning might recommend similar coverage. AI-enhanced planning will recognize one person owns a business, has special needs dependents, carries significant debt. The other one has substantial savings, no debt, no dependents. Now, clearly, their protection needs are dramatically different, yet traditional planning might treat them similarly. AI helps reveal the differences. Technology isn't impacting life insurance only. It's transforming the entire protection ecosystem. With life insurance, AI estimates income replacement needs, family obligations, legacy goals, estate planning requirements. With your health insurance, AI can evaluate healthcare usage patterns, prescription costs, provider utilization, future healthcare projections. On your homeowners insurance, AI could access property value changes, climate risk, rebuilding costs, emerging exposures. With your auto insurance, AI will evaluate driving behavior, vehicle usage, accident probabilities, discount opportunities. The result, a more coordinated protection strategy. Now, this is where many people get confused. They assume AI means less need for professional guidance. The opposite is true. AI will answer questions. A trusted advisor answers the meaning. AI may reveal you're underinsured by 500,000, but it cannot fully explain how that impacts your spouse, how it affects your children, what solution best fits your needs and your budget, what trade-offs make sense. Technology provides intelligence. Advisors provide wisdom. The best feature? Human expertise enhanced by technology, which no one can replace. Now, the biggest advantage of AI isn't personalization. It's continuous adaptation. Think of it how life changes. Marriage, divorce, new home, new child, career changes, business ownership, retirement planning. Now, each change affects your insurance needs. AI monitoring can help identify coverage gaps, overinsurance, underinsurance, premium inefficiencies, emerging liability risk, better product opportunities. Future-proofing means maintaining alignment between your life and your protection strategy. Now, this week, I'd like each of you to do a personal audit by asking yourself the following. When was my last coverage review? Has my income changed significantly? Has my family responsibilities changed? Would my current coverage adequately replace my income? Have my home's value or my assets increased? Have I reviewed my liability protection recently? Does my insurance strategies reflect my current life or my life as it was 5 years ago? Now, these are questions that often reveal gaps immediately. As we close today's conversation, remember this. Artificial intelligence isn't changing the purpose of insurance. The purpose remains the same, to protect families, to preserve financial stability, to provide peace of mind during life's most uncertain moments. What is changing is the ability to plan with greater precision, to identify risk earlier, to make smarter decisions, to build protection strategies that evolve alongside our life. The future of insurance isn't about choosing between technology and people. It's about combining the strength of both. Technology provides insight. Experience provides perspective. Now, together, they create something incredibly powerful, a protection strategy built specifically for you. It's not generic, it's not outdated, it's not reactive, but personalized, proactive, and prepared for whatever comes next. Now, remember, I provide coverage to clients nationwide. To contact me, call or text my studio line at 631 594 8118. Once again, 631 594 8118. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Coverage and Clarity with Jacques. This is where we make complex simple and move forward with confidence. The best time to review your protection strategy is before life reminds you why it matters. Until next time, stay focused, stay prepared, and stay intentional.